In this video, I'll guide you through how to create appointment slots in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a schedule that lets other people book time with you without all the back and forth emails. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your appointments. It helps to switch to the week or day view so you can clearly see the times you're working with, but this part is up to you. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the Create button. This is the same button you'd normally use to add a regular event. When the menu opens, instead of choosing event, you'll want to look for and click on Appointment Schedule. This is a special type of event designed specifically for letting others book time with you. Now you'll see the setup page for your appointment schedule. Start by adding a clear, simple title. For example, you might use something like Office Hours, Consultation Call, or Project Check-in. Choose a name that tells people exactly what the appointment is for. Right below the title, set the duration of each appointment. This is how long each booking will last. Common choices are 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Think about how much time you actually need with each person so you don't feel rushed or overbooked. Then choose your availability. Here, you'll select which days of the week and which times you want to offer. For example, you might open slots from 9 to 11 in the morning on weekdays. You can add multiple time ranges and adjust them to match your real schedule. Take a moment to double check this because it controls when people are allowed to book with you. You can also select which calendar these appointments should appear on. If you have multiple calendars like personal and work, make sure you pick the one that makes the most sense. This helps keep everything organized and prevents conflicts with other events. Once you're happy with the basic setup, click Next. This will bring you to the section where you refine the details of how each booking will work. Here, choose the location and conferencing options. You can decide if these appointments happen in person, over the phone, or using a video meeting. If you prefer online meetings, select a conferencing option so a video link is automatically added to each booking. This saves you from having to send links manually later. After that, add a description for your appointment schedule. Use this space to explain what the session is about, what people should prepare, or any rules or expectations. For example, you might mention if they need to bring certain documents or be ready to share their screen. You can also adjust the booking form. This is what people will see and fill out when they choose a time. You might ask for their name, email, and any information you need ahead of time, like a topic or question. Keeping this form clear and simple makes the booking process smoother for everyone. When everything looks good, click Save. Your appointment schedule is now created and Google Calendar will generate a booking link that you can share with others. Anyone with that link can pick a time within the availability you set, and their appointments will automatically appear on your calendar.